I don't know what that is. Not yet, anyway. There's no wind to speak of. Fully cloudy day. No wind to speak of. It's hard to tell exactly what that is. Sure, it may look like a clump of balloons, but what I've learned, you can't count on it. I don't know. I don't know. I think it's getting closer now. I can't tell. It's hard to take my eye off it. It's up there pretty high. It looks that way. It's not moving very fast at all. It's hard to tell. It's really hard to tell what that is. Is it morphing? Is it even a... What is it? I think it's going up higher, I think. I don't know, I have doubts. I don't know what this is yet. It's easy to write these things off as balloons, I tell you that. It's not so easy to figure out what this is yet. My arm was getting very, very tired. I'd be very, very tired. I don't know, why isn't the air so damn long? It's not even seem to be moving really. Jeez. I wish it would have went away already. This is not going to be so easy to dismiss as balloons, I don't think. It looks kind of weird. I think it's either getting closer or it's raising up. It seems like it. There's very little, no breeze. Oh man, it's one of these weird things again. I can't tell what it is from here. I gotta take my eye off it for a minute. Okay, I just looked at this thing with my binoculars. It's red and it's black. It's like a dull black and a dull red. And it doesn't have the shapes of a balloon. As you can see, it might have looked like a couple of eyes looking at me, I don't know. It's been in there for quite a time. It doesn't look right to be balloons. I don't know. I hate to jump to conclusions either way. But the stuff that I've seen around here and stuff I've seen on videos I've seen, you never know. It's a damn demon flight, a bunch of demon heads in there probably. I mean, I'm just halfway joking, but I don't know. I really don't, people don't know. I'm not reflecting anything. It's coming over my head more. It might be changing shape, I don't know. I just don't know what the hell that is, because look at it, it's like different now. It's been in the air for easily 5 minutes, 10 minutes maybe, 10 minutes, more than that. It was out here when I stepped out. Doesn't matter how close I get, because it gets a little distorted. It gets closer sometimes like that. It's not going to get much closer than that. It's a little clearer. I'm going to shut it off for a minute. Yeah, I was looking through my binoculars. Watch, I'm looking through it again. That is a weird looking thing, because it's a weird color red and a weird color like dark. I can't make the conclusion it's balloons. I can't do it. I try to. That doesn't look like a bunch of balloons to me. It's just really weird. Moving really slow. I think it's traveling against the wind. It's traveling in a western direction. And I think that wind should be blowing to the east, if at all. I don't see any wind or feel any. Came from the south, and it's heading... God, what is that? It's like Toronto maple leaf. No, that can't be balloons. It looks too weird. Something on the right bottom seems to be glowing or something. There's no sun getting to it because the clouds. This is really weird. I can't tell you. That right part shouldn't be glowing that way. Oh well, I'll be watching. See, if nothing should be reflecting off that thing at all. It's just full clouds. It just seems got to be going against the wind, man. I mean, it's been in the air so damn long. But I said it's traveling west, a little bit north. It appeared to come from the south. See how it's changing? Yeah, people could write that out with balloons if they wanted to, but it looks too weird. It just looks way too weird, and it's moving in the air too damn long. It might even be going against the wind. I have to see what direction the wind is blowing today in Fresno. This is weird, if you ask me. It looks like it's glowing on the bottom or something. All around it even, I think. It's got a white glow around it, doesn't it? It sure looks like it has a white glow around it. There it is. Yeah, the wind's blowing a different direction. I can feel it blowing against my face, and this thing's going away from me. See how the glow goes around? Can you see the glow around it? There's no sun out, and it's completely blocked by clouds. This is murder on my arms, I'm telling you right now. It's been in the air way too long, man. You see, there's moving down. You can see it by the trees.